In Microsoft Excel, if you ever have a number that is actually hours, minutes, and seconds, maybe it's just showing as seconds and you need to convert that to true time. I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Let's dive in. On my screen is a list of every YouTube video that I published in 2025. I have 102 published videos. There's the published date here, there's the title. But when I exported this data, I ended up over here with column N showing the length in seconds. So that's not really doing me any good. I'm going to go over to cell O2. This method is okay, but it's not really what I want to do. I'm going to take the 393 seconds in this example and divide by 60 seconds in 1 minute. And that gives me 6.55. Please don't read that as 6 minutes and 55 seconds. That is incorrect. 6.5 would be 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So the 0.5 would be 0.05 times 60. So we should end up with 6 minutes and 33 seconds. So what I just did, don't do that. Here would be how I would calculate this. I'm going to take the 393 and divide it by 86,400. I'll show you why in just 1 second. You're going to get a 0.00 in this example. Go to Format Cells, that is Control and the number 1 on your keyboard, or you can right-click and go to Format Cells, it doesn't matter. When Format Cells appears, I'm going to go to Custom. Notice my sample is the selected cells. I just want minutes and seconds. I don't have any videos that are in hours, so I'm going to do M:SS, and that is giving me 6 minutes and 33 seconds. If I have something that goes over 9 minutes, I could do 2 M's, by the way. Notice I went to 0633. And of course, I don't have any of this, but if you had hours, you could do the letter H for hours, but I'm just going to stick with my minutes and seconds. Click OK, and there's the 6 minutes and 33 seconds, and then you would auto-fill this down your screen. There's your formula. Now, inside the formula, I use the number 86,400. Here's why I divided by 86,400. 24 hours in a day, so 24 times 60 minutes times 60 seconds. There is your 86,400 right there. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. My online training is also available. Have a wonderful day.